Hi, this is Buland and today's video is very special. Today I'm going to let you know how you can earn money on Fiverr. This is one of the frequently asked question, and I am also a Fiverr user and I am making money on Fiverr. So when you see the join button, you just rush onto the join button, and after that you think you can't make money on Fiverr because of the top seller, seller 2 and seller 1. But this is not the reason. So first of all, this is the first video of Fiverr, and today I will let you know how you can join Fiverr professionally. So let's get started. So I will click on join and enter your email. So I'm going to enter the email. And it says join Fiverr, choose a username, choose a password. So this is very important. So when you are choosing your username, so don't rush and don't going to type your name. So what you have to do, I know you just thinking that I used to saw many of the sellers who have their own name, but if you want to be professional in Fiverr, so just choose a username regarding to your work. Like if you are a graphic designer, so you can choose words like my graphics, graphic mania. So right now I'm going to use my graphics, or as I'm choosing my own channel name like Achari Tech. I'm going to choose the password. So you have to be unique. So I have a username Achari Tech. So this is one of the biggest mistake you are doing. So be sure that you shouldn't do such kind of mistakes. And when you just join the Fiverr, so they just send you an email on your mail. So going to check your mail and verify your account on Fiverr. So I'm going to activate my account on Fiverr, and my account is now activated. Now I'm going to click on the profile, and I'm going to edit my profile as well. So this is a preview public mode. So when someone comes on your profile, so it's look like that. So I'm going to change it. Which option best describe you? I own a business, I'm a freelancer. So please do click on that. I'm a freelancer. So which industry does the workplace business belongs to? I'm going to choose video and teleconferencing, and I'm going to save the changes. And you have to upload the picture of like logo. So you are thinking where you can make your own logo. So in this video I will let you know how you can create your own logo as well. Here you can see it is saying that you have to create a new gig. So if you want to know how you can professionally make a gig, so you can get views on gig, so you have to wait for second video. On the second video I will let you know how you can make a gig. And now we can go to canva.com. so Canva is a professional website. So it has very many free templates and pro templates. So if anyone want to buy a Canva all around the world, so he can contact me on my email. My mail is in the description, and he can buy the Canva from me. So just click on logo. As I have my own personal logo, but I'm not going to upload that logo right now. I'm going to show how you can create your own logo. Like I'm going to select that template, as I can write Achari Tech. Video creator. As my logo is ready in just 1 second, so I'm going to download my logo, and I'm telling you again, it's a pro account. If you want to buy pro account, my email, and you can contact me on Facebook, on Instagram, wherever you want. You can contact me, and so you can buy Canva Pro from me. So now let's come to the Fiverr. Click on upload photo. Here I uploaded my photo, and now what you have to do, you have to scroll down and you can see edit description and edit language. So add new. I also speak Urdu because Urdu is my native language. I can add this as well. English, I'm going to add it. It's not basic, I'm going to do a frequent language. And what you have to link your accounts. Right now I'm not going to link my account, but you have to link your account. So you have to add these skills, add skills, like I can do video editing. And what's my experience level, as I'm doing video editing for many years, so I will write expert over here. And when you just write video editing, so you have suggestions like photo editing, Adobe Photoshop, logo designing, graphic design, you can add that as well. But right now video marketing and experience level, I'm not a professional video marketer, so I can write here intermediate and add. As I just added 2 skills, you can add a lot of skills over here, and you can add your education. The more you will give information to Fiverr, the more Fiverr will make your account professional. It seems to be professional, and many of the buyers will contact you. So make sure you will do a lot of effort on your profile, and then you will get a lot of work from Fiverr. So I know it's not easy, but you have to do some work for Fiverr as well. So their country and college, university, it's Pakistan, and university name, the University of Florida, UL, title, BSc, computer science, year of graduation, add. And if you have any personal certifications in some kind of work, like if you are a professional video editor and you have a award for that, you can add that as well. So right now I don't have one, so I'm not going to add that. So this is for today, and I think you can enjoy this video. It's a short video, but it's very useful for the members who are going to join the Fiverr. So make sure you hit the like button, and you have to comment down below if you have any queries, and please do smash the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you will never miss any update from the Charlie Tech. Thank you.